Hello, good day, Sakafet. How you doing? I'm glad you asked. We are in the hottest days of the year. Yes, it's been super hot, but there's a kind of sweetness looking back at the amazing summer that we had. Not just great weather and even greater harvest, but the long, slow days and even longer nights. The cottage garden has been so good to us, but this is the final harvest, the end, the last embrace of summer. Fall is slowly showing its face, and the fall colors are already coming through. You can see that in the change of blooms that we're having. The sunflowers have been so excited to see all summer long is slowly showing up. And then we have this beautiful bougainvillea bloom showing off and showing out. I absolutely love the orange hues of fall, the milder colors, the warm colors. It's absolutely amazing.
Clock strikes 5, the rooster crows. Another day where the sorrow grows. The coffee's hot, but my hands are cold. This heart's grown heavy, this soul feels old. Here comes the morning sun, chasing shadows one by one. But it can't chase the pain away, it just lights another lonesome day. Here comes the morning sun, chasing shadows one by one. But it can't chase the pain away, it just lights another lonesome day. The barn still leans, the paint still peels, the past is carved in these wooden wheels. I hear the wind, it whispers her name, but the sunrise don't feel the same. Here comes the morning sun, chasing shadows one by one. But it can't mend what's come undone, it just warms a heart that's on the run. The fields don't care if I break or bend, they just wait for the rain to mend. The sun may rise, the earth may spin, but the light don't touch the dark within. Here comes the morning sun, chasing shadows one by one. But it can't mend what's come undone, it just warms a heart that's on the run. fields don't care if I break or bend. They just wait for the rain to mend. The sun may rise, the earth may spin, but the light don't touch the dark within. Here comes the morning sun, chasing shadows one by one. But it can't heal, it just reveals the scars I've buried, the hurt I feel.
The morning songs are so angelic. The air is still, there's a quiet shift. The doggone days of summer are behind us, and the garden is still providing. There's still a slow rhythm, yet among those final days come one of the sweetest rewards, the watermelon harvest. There's something that lingers in my memory, looking back at the amazing summer that we had. Not just the beautiful days, but the joy that the cottage garden brought is inexplicable. We've had lots of challenges at the cottage. We have been doing some renovation work, some cosmetic work, and it's still ongoing, but I totally enjoy the journey every minute. We've had our joy just walking through the garden, and those memories will live forever in my heart. Each flower bed, its zinnias patch, each rose bush, every vine, every trellis, every patch of soil tells a story of an amazing summer season, the beautiful harvest, the bees, the beautiful butterflies, the pollinators having their way. The frogs, the ducks, the birds, they are all part of this beautiful place, this beautiful life, and I love it. The garden is a world of its own. It's alive, it's abundant, untamed, walking through the paths leading to the forest. It's my peace, my joy. But what I remember most is the feeling. This cottage garden, this place I call home, this past summer was a sanctuary. It was a place where time slowed down, the slow life that I longed for, where the morning walks and evening strolls with the sounds of the birds, the frogs among the blooms. It just filled me with passion and awe. This life, yes, I love it here. Now, as the days shorten and the air cools, the garden changes. This is my attempt to create one last bloom, one last flush. I am planting zinnia seeds because, as you know, zinnia is one of my favorite flowers. The colors, the kaleidoscope, it just creates a joy that I cannot express. So, with seeds in hand, I'm going to spread some of that joy, some of that love. The flowers will fade and it's time for a rest in the garden. They will begin their slow slumber, and I find myself treasuring the memory of what was. It's a gentle reminder that seasons come and seasons go, but the beauty remains within us always. So I linger in the memory of summer, of warm evenings in the cottage garden, of petals beneath my fingers, of laughter drifting, and I hold on to the promise that just as the garden will bloom again, so too will the seasons of our lives bring back their sweetness in time.